Before we begin, find a comfortable position for your whole body, either lying down or sitting with some support for your back. I will be your guide on this exercise, which will gradually relax every part of your body. If you come across an area of pain, do not dwell on it, but move your attention through it to the next area. I will remind you about this later on. This is a passive relaxation exercise, so there is very little you need to do except make yourself comfortable and follow my voice. Notice how your chest is gently expanding and contracting as you breathe. In your own time, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs completely with air. And now, breathe out slowly, releasing as much air as is comfortably possible. Breathing in deeply and exhaling fully. Your breathing fills your chest with relaxation, flowing into your stomach, deeply easing and releasing any tension. Now move or wiggle all your toes so that you can easily bring your attention to both your feet. Focus on letting all the muscles in both your feet relax. Allow the sense of relaxation to spread through your ankles, through your shins and calves, past your knees, and slowly the sense of relaxation spreading deeply into both your thighs. Feel the tension being released from your legs as all the muscles slowly relax and soften. Remember, if you come across an area of pain, do not dwell on it, but move your attention through it to the next area. Now move or wiggle all your fingers, bringing your attention to your hands. Let both your hands relax. Feel the sense of relaxation flowing up past your wrists and into your arms. Enjoy the feeling as the muscles of your arms give up their hold and become free and limp, pleasantly relaxed. Allow the sense of relaxation to spread into your shoulders as they become loose too. Let your shoulders gently sink downward and heavy, very heavy, and very relaxed. Feel the muscles around your collarbones becoming relaxed as your shoulders move gently back and your chest widens slightly. Notice your breathing once again. See how regular it has become. Continue to take slow, smooth, deep breaths. Breathe in the feeling of relaxation and breathe out any tension. And as you breathe, you relax more deeply with each breath, more and more relaxed, deeply relaxed and calm. Now bring your attention to the muscles of your tongue. Push your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Hold it there for a few moments and very slowly allow it to rest. Allow your jaw to relax, letting your mouth become slightly open. Now allow the feeling of relaxation to flow into your neck and down through your spine. Encourage all the muscles in your back to progressively relax by starting at your head and slowly moving your attention methodically down, with that sense of relaxation flowing through the muscles in your upper back, middle back, and lower back, and out into your buttocks and hips. Except for the gentle movement of your chest as you breathe, your body remains calm and still. Take a few moments now to scan through your whole body and find any remaining areas of tension. Simply breathe into these areas and release any tension there as you exhale. Notice your breathing, your relaxed muscles, your calm thoughts. Memorize this feeling so you can easily recall relaxing your body in this way. You have now completed this exercise. How do you feel?